What's
I'm
with mom.
Where's the
It's in my car. I started.
Where at? What car?
The red one.
Red car?
Yep.
Okay, step over there.
February 19th, 2024, watch a family argument move outside, where a single shot takes a son's life.
Send in the medic. What's in
I'm with mom.
Where's
It's in my car. I started.
Where at? What car?
The red one.
Red car?
Yep.
Okay, step over there.
Yeah, it's working on the air.
Ma'am.
No, I don't care. See my mom.
Go over there with your mom.
32.
Go inside. I got one down out in front. The mom's out here with me. I got several people inside the apartment. You okay, boss? Where you?
Is he okay? Is he alive? Is he alive?
Back away.
No, he's not. Jesus, please.
Back away.
No.
Hey, the mom's over there. Scare her. Lady in a gray t-shirt. That's mom. Go ahead and scare her. No, gray t-shirt. 40-some-year-old lady. You see her? Mom was walking right there. That's fine. That's mom. Somebody supposedly in the red vehicle over there. I've not cleared the apartment upstairs yet. Nobody's else upstairs? Okay. Mom supposedly shot son. Apparently this is son. This is sisters or relatives here. They're coming down to us.
Open his left shoulder.
Jihad Hughes is his name. I don't know how old he is.
Is he the only person?
Only person we know of right now.
Did we find the
Yeah, it's upper right shoulder. It's high in the shoulder right here going that way. Only victim we know of right here.
Suspect.
Okay.
Here, I got the pair. I'll do the horse.
Yep.
No medical attention. You don't need it. You might have a pocket knife on you. Right here.
Yeah. I don't know where.
Got it.
It's not.
Anything else on you?
No.
Okay. All right. Have a seat. Watch your head down there. Watch your head. Watch your head. Okay. Sit down. She got oil on her. You
Okay.
got hot oil?
No.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put this in your car.
42, mark is clear.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you get me out? Can you get me out of there? I need to throw up.
Okay. 1 second.
Please, please, God, please, God. Oh God, oh God, Jesus. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Here, get some air.
No, please, God,
Okay.
oh God.
We're gonna have some air.
Oh God, yeah, oh God. Please, God.
Okay. One thing at a time.
You don't know.
One thing
God
at a
have
time.
mercy. Oh. Oh.
All right. What is your first name?
LaQuandra Williams.
What?
LaQuandra Williams.
Can you spell it? Q-U-A-N-D-R-A.
Yes.
I don't even know what happened. So
I came home from work. I own a business, and my son drove my car today. I asked him where he take my car to, because I got my car fixed this weekend, and he went answer me, and I said, I said, Jihad, I'm talking to you. He went answer me, and he don't like my boyfriend. He said, I'm going to kill you and your boyfriend. We were fighting in my living room. He never did that to me. And then I have a gun. He has a gun of mine too. Like, we always get into it. Like, I don't believe this is happening. Like, I can't even cry. Like, that's my child. Like, you don't know. God have mercy, man. what in the world is happening? My whole life. I raised them and took care of my kid. Moved from Youngstown to here, and we've been going through hell ever since.
So that's your son?
Yeah.
Okay. How old is he? I'm just curious.
He's 21.
He's 21. Okay. What was your name?
Her name is LaQuandra.
Your name?
My name is Maya.
Maya?
Yes. She killed him, bro.
What was your last name?
Hughes. Dad, I need you. Yes, he is. I need you, Dad.
I know, I'm in Texas, babe.
Yes, I see him. He was on the floor. He was breathless. No, they shot him in the chest. No, this is bro. She's in the police car. She's in the car in front of me. No, I told them not to let her say that because she shot him, bro.
Hi. Hold on one second. I'm Detective Zimmer, this is Detective Paulson. How old are you?
I'm 20.
20? Okay.
Yeah.
And what happened today?
So I was in my room when everything was happening at first until it started getting bad. My sister started screaming my name. So I was like halfway going to sleep and I just heard my mom coming in the house screaming like about her car. And my brother, I had just wrecked my car, so my brother been driving us to school in her car because he didn't want to drive his car.
Mm-hmm.
So he drove her car earlier and she came back in the house like, Jahad, what's wrong with my car? But I'm sure it's nothing wrong with her car because she just be like kind of crazy.
She has like diagnosed issues?
No, it's not diagnosed, but it needs to be.
Okay.
So, she came in the house and she was yelling at him. And Jahad
What's his name again?
His name is Jahad. Jahaad.
Okay. So she's yelling at him. How old is he?
He's 21.
21. Okay.
Yeah. So she came in the house and she was yelling at him and he wasn't responding to her because when my mom get to yelling at us, like, we don't respond because if we start yelling back, she's gonna escalate because she has a real record of like us. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
So like we just don't respond to her when she yelling. Like we wait till her to stop yelling when it escalates and then talk. So Jahad wasn't responding at all. So she started trying to take his I guess she was trying to take his AirPods out of his ear. Well, that's what he told me because I wasn't in there for that. But I was asked her after I asked him like what happened after she was outside. Hold on, let me get to it. But I had asked him what happened. She was trying to take his AirPods out of his ear, and he wasn't letting her, and she started trying to hit him.
Mm-hmm.
So that's when it escalated in the kitchen. Then she had got the knife because Jahad was like pinning her down, like wasn't letting him, and you know she was getting mad because he was blocking her hits. So she had grabbed the knife and she was trying to. So we trying to get the knife away from her.
Did you see that part?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we were trying to get the knife away from her because she was trying to stab him. So my brother kept telling me to like get back. And Jahad, the one that shot. So like he told me to step back, so I stepped back. And after he got the knife away from her, she was trying to grab more stuff, but I ended up grabbing the knife because we have the knife, you know, multiple knives up in that stand thing. So she was trying to grab that, so I grabbed it. And she was trying to grab our little coffee holder to throw it at him, but I grabbed that too. So she was trying to him after he had ended up getting the knife away from her. She was still like trying to punch him and stuff like that. So he ended up slamming her on the floor and like pinning her to the ground so she can stop. And afterwards, after he was pinning her down, he was just telling her like, I'm not a little boy. You're not gonna keep putting your hands on me. And then after he had ended up letting her get up, so she went downstairs to grab her gun. And I didn't let her. She was walking back upstairs, but I didn't let her come upstairs. I locked her outside.
Okay, so she came outside to get her.
She went outside, and that red truck over there by the two gray Impalas, that's her car.
Okay.
And she went to go grab her gun, and then she was walking upstairs, but I wasn't gonna let her shoot him. So I locked the door from her. I locked her outside, and hold on, I'm talking really fast. But I locked her outside, and she was screaming like she was just trying to get in the house, like give me my phone or give me my keys. But she already had her keys, so I just wasn't letting her in the house. So Jihad, the reason why he ended up outside, because he was trying to leave. Do you see his bags over there? His bags are probably on the floor.
Where at?
Over there where she shot him.
Okay.
Which car is hers?
The red car all the way at the back between the
GMC
two
down there at the
Impalas.
end.
Yeah. So Jihad was trying to get his stuff to leave. Like he wasn't even trying to go do nothing. He was leaving. So he had his bags and everything. And I was telling him not to go outside, but he didn't think. Of course, nobody gonna think their mom is about to shoot them. So he went downstairs anyways as he was trying to leave. And when he went outside, I heard the gunshot. He was like, ah, and then I seen him from the balcony on the floor. And she was trying to.
Did you see him get shot? Or
No, I heard it.
You just heard it?
And I went out to the balcony, like I was by the door when I heard the gunshot, because I was still holding the door locked. Yeah. So when I heard the gunshot, I ran to the balcony, and I see him on the floor. And she was like trying to.
Oh, you were in the balcony here?
The balcony, yeah, right there with the two chairs. Yeah.
So you ran out there and you saw.
I saw him on the floor, and she was trying to help him on the ground.
The concrete.
The pavement.
Like, where was he exactly?
Do you want me to get out?
Well, just kind of tell me, like straight.
Like in front of those two cars right there at the end.
Okay.
Yeah. And she was trying to help him and stuff, like I don't know what she was trying to. She looked like she was trying to help him, even though she shot him.
Alright, you can take a seat back there for me. Put the jacket over or something. The jacket has been searched, something in that as well. So just the fifth, no hoodie. Okay. Thanks for hanging around. Oh, no problem. You got stuff. That's alright. That's good.
93 for stopping by. Will be 1 district.
Oh my goodness. Look at this life. Do y'all know anything about my son?
No, we don't know anything, unfortunately. As soon as we get an update, we'll let you know. Robinson, turn the car back on. Alright, you're good.
Oh,
Is there anything I can do to help you?
no, please get the shoulder.
Okay, step this way for me. Going around the back and then you follow that other officer right here.
I'm Detective. This is Detective Policy. I'm coming in here. We're going to read you your rights. Have you ever had the rights read before? No? Okay. Well, we'll go over them kind of slowly to make sure you understand them all. We'll ask a couple goofy questions at the beginning of it. So just bear with us. I'm going to give you this so you can follow along with us. Can you tell me what happened?
So I came home early in between my two clients, and Jai used my car, and I asked him where he took my car at, because he took my car to like the shop and left it there. And I said, well, how long did you leave it there, and what did they do? My car's not riding away. I just got my car fixed. So he wouldn't answer me. So I walked back to the room, and I went back into the living room where he was at, and he got up to like grab his stuff, and I said, I'm talking to you, answer me. And so I threw a glass, but it went over to his head like a candle, but it went over his head. It didn't touch him. And then he grabbed me up and threw me in the living room, which was something he never ever done. And we have had arguments, but he never ever put his hands on me ever. And I was trying to get him off of me. I was getting a knife because I know, like, he's stronger than I am, way stronger than I know. And out of impulse, like, I shouldn't
Well, I will tell you, unfortunately, your son did not make it.
Oh,
And I'm so sorry.
what?
They worked on him for at least close to an hour. But he did survive his injuries.
Take me. You can take me. I don't deserve that. He didn't either. Yo.
Yeah, I know the pressures, and I feel like that's what happened to me. I feel like you just snapped because you just got so angry.
And everything, like, no, y'all. What? Y'all said he gone for real. No, I killed my son. Oh no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'm not gonna believe that. Mm. And I kind of figured something was going on because when nobody talked to me while I was out there, I'm like, tell me what's going on.
Well, those guys aren't allowed to. The patrol
Yeah, I
guys
did not
aren't
mean
allowed.
to do that. I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Y'all. Man. Man. Oh God. Oh. So, Jesus have mercy on me. Forgive me.
She was later charged with second-degree murder, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, using a firearm during a felony. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.